trust, understanding, patience, and paniniwala sa kung ano mang meron ka.
Ito, bilang baguhan, nagkakalansin ka, napaka-big deal na
May pinagsiselos.
Selos-selosan. Pag gusto ko lang may issue kami.
Marami naman sa
Kasi naman, I mean,
para mapansin ka ng isang
hindi naman pwede wala ka ng care sa sobrang trust mo na yung isang tao na kahit kung sino kasama niya, kung sino yung mga guest niya.
Tunaw ka na eh. Limunin ka lang niya, ay out ka na.
Kahit pa paano yung mga konting selos. Oo, pero hindi yung totoong sino yung ka-text mo, sino yung siguro I mean, it's been 8 years. We know better.
I'm sure marami pa ako.
Kasi di ba karamihan pag sobrang tagal ng relasyon, baka magkasawaan, hindi magkatuloyan,
Marami naman na
Well, because in our Drew and I, we have, speaking of, we've been together for 8 years, but it's been a slow, progressive kind of relationship. I mean, we only really started traveling after 5 years of being together. Yung iba, ilang buwan pa lang, nag-travel na sila, kahit ano mga
asawa.
so kami, it's been 8 years, but it's been a slow progression.
So do you believe in a long relationship? Ibig sabihin, bago ikasal, parang gano'n.
Kung I believe in it.
Long relationship before wedding, parang gano'n.
Well, it's not that I believe in it, but it seems to be what's working for me.
And I only hope
Because for others, I mean, they find the one after 2 years. At saka depende na sa ano eh. Kung nasaan ka sa buhay mo.
masang pala ko ng isang
Kasi
gladys face
minsan,
para masabi kong
it may be too early for them, but there is that stage of trying to find the right one. Like Drew has been very patient with me. I'm much younger than him, 6 years. He's at that age where, he's done with playing around, he's done with experimenting and discovery. He knows himself. He's sure of who he is and what he wants. Whereas I'm still going through that part of discovering myself, learning more about myself. And what I love about him is that he allows me to grow. Hindi niya, kahit marami na siyang alam sa buhay, he'll give me his opinion, his thoughts, and his advice. But he allows me to make my own decisions, whether it means making the right or wrong decision. If it's what it takes para matuto ako sa buhay, he lets me. Kasi yun masarap, I become my own person. Hindi yung kontrolado at restricted.
Definitely, syempre, 8 years na katagal pa yung relasyon mo. Mauwi ka lang sa kasal. Nakikita mo na yun.
Oh yes. Yun naman, I mean, sana naman, no? Sana naman, no? Oo. Hindi pa naman kasalan. But I would, I mean, why not? Why not? Why not? I mean, I wouldn't be in this relationship if I didn't believe that that's where it will lead us eventually. I mean, doon pa lang, with whoever, before I get into a relationship, yun naman talagang, unang pumapasok sa isip ko, bago kong sagutin yung tao, kung this guy could actually be my husband. Ano ba yung potential nito? So maaga pa lang, I already think about that actually.
Pero wala kayong differences.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of differences.
How do you address?
We have a lot of differences. We know each other well now, but we know how to deal with the differences.
Example lang. Kasi I just want to know how you guys seem so happy all the time. Minsan mo, nag-aaway ba kayo?
Nag-aaway kami!
Ano yung madalas?
Nag-aaway kami. It's just, we deal with it right away. And we've learned, kasi kung dati, alam mo naman pag babae, pag may tatampo, tahimik siya, silent treatment. I'm that for a while, but Drew will always tell me na, honey, I know you. What is it? Until eventually, sige na, sasabihin ko. So we get to address the problem right away. So the next time around, hindi na siya magiging problema kasi we were able to deal with it in the past. So alam na namin na kunwari, pag si Drew kasi, bawal yan magutom. Pag nagutom siya, pag kulang siya sa tulog, or pag pagod siya, mainit yung ulo niya. At saka hindi mo siya pwedeng pagantayin. Eh syempre ako minsan nagpapaganda pa ako, magantay ka dyan. Eh siya, gutom na siya. So by the time I get to the car, ayan, medyo tahimik na. Oo, parang okay, where are we gonna eat? Alam ko So, gutom na siya. Oh, gutom na bebe ko. Okay, okay, sige, kain lang yan. So, alam na niya, magpapakit na lang ako na eventually matatawanin siya na natatawa siya kasi alam ko na hindi ko rin siya pinapatulan. Of course, there are times na wrong timing, na mainit ulo namin pareho. Hindi naman magandang timing parati na mainit ulo niya, I know how to deal with him, or mainit ulo ko, alam niya how to deal with me. Minsan there are times na mainit yung ulo namin pareho, but we know that when that happens, parang, okay, just give it time, palamigin lang muna natin, and then we can address it.
Do you see Drew as your future husband soon? Nakikita mo na?
I definitely hope so. Hindi naman itong 8 years ito, sana naman hindi para naman sa wala. So noon pa lang, it was something that I could foresee. So yeah, I mean, I'm still in this relationship for those reasons because I believe that he could be my life partner.
Thank you.